The squat. A simple movement yet shrouded in misconception. Some say it's bad for your knees. Others claim it's just for gym rats. But what if I told you those were just myths? The squat, particularly the deep squat, holds the key to unlocking your body's hidden potential. Our ancestors squatted for hours on end. They cooked, they ate, they socialized, all while in a deep squat. So let's dispel these myths and unlock the secrets of the squat. The humble squat offers a wealth of advantages, far beyond building strong legs. It's a full body movement, engaging muscles from your core to your ankles. It improves flexibility, boosts circulation, and strengthens your joints. The squat, particularly the deep squat, has a profound impact on our internal systems. It aids digestion, improves posture, and can even sharpen our minds. I'll uncover the science behind its benefits and also share practical tips to help you incorporate squats safely and effectively into your daily life. Venture with me to the bustling markets of Asia. Observe the vendors, the elders, the children. Notice how effortlessly they rest in a deep squat, seemingly unfazed by the passage of time. This is the Asian squat, a posture so deeply ingrained in their culture that it's practically second nature. Yet in many parts of the world, this natural human posture is sadly fading into obscurity. The modern world, with its chairs and conveniences, has slowly weaned us off this ancient practice. The Asian squat is more than just a resting position. It's a testament to the incredible strength and flexibility of those who practice it regularly. This natural movement pattern strengthens the entire lower body, building resilience in the ankles, knees, and hips. It's this very resilience that allows them to squat for extended periods without discomfort. Their secret? A lifetime of incorporating the deep squat into their daily routines. This is the power of embracing a natural human movement pattern. The beauty of the Asian squat extends far beyond its physical advantages. This seemingly simple posture holds a secret. It unlocks a cascade of hidden benefits, impacting everything from digestion to mental clarity. The deep squat gently compresses the abdomen, promoting optimal organ positioning and encouraging natural, effortless elimination. This ancient practice also activates the pelvic floor muscles, crucial for bladder control, sexual health, and overall core stability. The Asian squat is a holistic practice, addressing our well-being on multiple levels. Now you might be thinking, squatting deep, isn't that hard on the knees? The truth is quite the opposite. Think of your joints, your knees, hips, ankles, as intricate systems of muscles, tendons, and ligaments. Like any well-oiled machine, they thrive on movement, on being taken through their full range of motion. Squatting, particularly the deep squat, acts as a lubricant, nourishing these joints, keeping them supple and strong. Embrace the deep squat as a fountain of youth for your joints. A symphony of muscles building strength and power. Let's talk about strength, the kind that makes everyday tasks feel like a breeze. Squatting is a full-body workout disguised as a simple movement. Your quads, hamstrings, glutes, the powerhouses of your lower body, they roar to life, propelling you upwards. Your core acts as a stabilizer, keeping everything in sync. Increased strength makes carrying groceries feel like child's play, empowering you to move through life with confidence and grace. Unleashing your inner athlete squats for enhanced mobility. Squatting is one of the fundamental movements that unlocks this hidden potential within us. Regular squatting enhances your range of motion, improving flexibility in your hips, ankles, and spine. This newfound mobility translates into everyday life in remarkable ways. You'll find yourself bending down to tie your shoes without a second thought, reaching for objects with newfound ease, and navigating stairs with agility. Emerging research suggests a fascinating link between squatting and improved cognitive function. Squatting boosts circulation, nourishing your brain with a surge of oxygen and vital nutrients. Studies have shown that regular squatting can lead to improvements in memory, focus, and even creativity. So the next time you need a mental boost, consider dropping into a deep squat. We live in a world of constant stimulation, a world that bombards us with information and demands our attention from all directions. The deep squat, with its gentle compression of the abdomen, activates our parasympathetic nervous system, the body's natural relaxation response. As we squat, feeling the ground beneath us, our minds begin to quiet. Our worries, our anxieties, they seem to melt away, replaced by a sense of grounding, of being present in the moment. It's a simple yet profound practice, a way to reconnect with our bodies and find a moment of peace in our often chaotic world. The body-mind connection, unlocking your potential through squats. Modern science is finally catching up, revealing the intricate ways in which our bodies and minds influence each other. The humble squat stands as a testament to this profound connection. When we squat, we're not just working our legs, we're engaging with our entire selves. From this place of groundedness, of inner strength, we unlock our true potential. Embrace the squat as a holistic practice, a journey of self-discovery. Here is how to begin your squat journey. I know that you find this video informative so far, and will continue to find the rest of this video informational and very educational. So go ahead and give me some support. This is simple, easy and free of cost, but significantly very important. It will only take a few seconds of your time, and like I mentioned before, it will cost you nothing, but will help to grow my channel and also enable me to spread more valuable, needed information like this. Now, click on that thumbs up button. It's a simple act, but the impact can be massive. Imagine that simple click as a ripple in a pond, extending outwards to touch and influence others to become more conscious about becoming more informed about their health and well-being. It also helps to spread much-needed important information to a wider audience, which can potentially make a change in someone's life. So, go ahead, show your appreciation for these types of informative videos. Click that thumbs up button to potentially make a change. Now, to ensure that you don't miss out on any more valuable content, click the subscribe button and the notification bell that is beside it. Then select all to gain access to all the other videos on my channel and to stay up to date with any new ones that gets posted. Most importantly, subscribing is absolutely free. My channel isn't just about sharing, it's about building a community of knowledge seekers who understand the importance of staying informed and updated when it comes to a healthy lifestyle. You're eager to experience the transformative power of the squat. But like any worthwhile journey, we must begin with a gentle first step. If you're new to squatting, start slowly and gradually. Begin by simply practicing the motion, finding your balance and getting comfortable with the movement pattern. Stand with your feet slightly wider than hip width apart, toes pointing slightly outwards. As you lower down, keep your back straight, your core engaged and your chest lifted. Even a few repetitions each day can make a world of difference. Here are some tips for a safe and effective squat and how to master the form. Proper technique is paramount, not only to maximize the benefits, but also to prevent any unnecessary strain or discomfort. As you lower down, ensure your knees track in line with your toes. Imagine your knees are headlights and your toes are pointing the way. The headlights should always follow the direction of the toes, never veering inwards. This alignment helps distribute the weight evenly, protecting your knees and maximizing muscle engagement. Keep your core engaged, your chest lifted, and avoid rounding your shoulders forward. Listen to your body. If you feel any pain, stop and adjust accordingly. Where do you find the time to squat? Life is hectic enough as it is. The beauty of the squat lies in its simplicity, its ability to seamlessly weave itself into the fabric of our everyday lives. You don't need fancy equipment or a dedicated hour at the gym. You can squat while brushing your teeth, while playing with your grandchildren, even while waiting for the kettle to boil. It's about finding those little pockets of time, those moments in between, and transforming them into opportunities for movement. Our bodies were designed to move. Throughout history, our ancestors didn't think twice about dropping into a squat. Integrate squats into your daily life not as a chore, but as a celebration of your body's remarkable abilities. Think back to your childhood. Remember those endless hours spent playing outdoors, running, jumping, exploring? Back then, squatting came naturally. We did it without a second thought, our bodies instinctively finding comfort and stability in this primal position. Somewhere along the way, many of us lost touch with this innate joy of movement. But it's never too late to rediscover those natural opportunities to squat, to reconnect with our body's inherent wisdom. Even something as simple as watching television can become an opportunity for movement. Instead of sinking deeper into the couch, try incorporating a few squats during commercial breaks. Your body will thank you for it. Now, I understand that in our fast-paced world, we often seek instant gratification, quick fixes, and immediate results. We want everything to happen right now without delay. But true health, like a fine wine, requires patience, consistency, and an appreciation for the long-term perspective. Just as grapes need time to mature into exquisite wine, our bodies need time to adapt and grow stronger. The benefits of squatting, while powerful and far-reaching, unfold gradually over time. It's a journey of continuous improvement, where each squat builds upon the last. It's not about pushing ourselves to the limit in a single session, but rather about making small, consistent deposits into the bank of our health. Each squat is like adding a coin to our piggy bank of well-being. With each squat, you're strengthening your joints, improving your flexibility, and enhancing your overall well-being. Your muscles become more resilient and your body's more capable. You're investing in your future selves, paving the way for a life of vitality, mobility, and grace. These small efforts today will yield significant rewards tomorrow. And as you age, these benefits become even more pronounced. The strength and flexibility you build now will support you in your later years. Squatting helps us maintain our independence, our ability to move freely and confidently through the world. It ensures we can enjoy life without physical limitations. It's a gift we give ourselves, a testament to the power of embracing a life of movement. By committing to this practice, we honor our bodies and our future well-being. In a world that often prioritizes convenience over movement, where sedentary lifestyles have become the norm, the squat stands as a beacon of hope, a simple yet powerful exercise that can transform our lives, a blueprint for longevity, vitality, and a life well lived. It's more than just a physical activity. It's a commitment to our future selves. It reminds us that our bodies are not machines to be neglected, but rather intricate ecosystems that thrive on movement, nourishment, and care. Every squat is a step towards a healthier, more vibrant life. By embracing the squat, we're not just strengthening our muscles and joints, we're building a foundation for a resilient body. We're investing in our long-term health and well-being, creating a ripple effect that touches every aspect of our lives. We're improving our cardiovascular health, boosting our brain function, and enhancing our overall quality of life. The squat is a versatile exercise that fits into any lifestyle, making it accessible to everyone. And as we age, the benefits of the squat become even more profound. It's a key to maintaining our vitality. It helps us maintain our mobility, our independence, and our zest for life, and our ability to engage fully with the world around us. The squat is a gift that keeps on giving. It's a gift we give ourselves, a testament to the power of proactive self-care and the importance of staying active. Embrace the squat and embrace a healthier, happier you. So I challenge you to embrace the squat, to make it a part of your daily rituals, your movement vocabulary, your life. Start slowly, be patient with yourself, And most importantly, enjoy the journey. Rediscover the joy of moving your body in ways that feel natural, intuitive, and empowering. Explore the different variations, find what works best for you, and let the transformative power of the squat unfold in your life. Remember, the squat is more than just an exercise. It's a symbol of human potential, a testament to our ability to rise, to overcome, to thrive. So stand tall, my friends, and squat your way to a healthier, happier, and more fulfilling life. The information provided in this video is intended for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended as a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian before starting any new diet or making significant changes to your eating habits or lifestyle, especially if you have underlying health conditions. Your health is your most significant asset, and it's crucial to make informed decisions under the guidance of professionals. Remember, there isn't a one-size-fits-all solution to health, and what works for one person may not work for another. Therefore, work with your healthcare provider to make the best decisions for your health. Use this information as a starting point. Thanks for tuning in. Remember, take action today for a healthier tomorrow. And in the meantime, keep an eye out for my next upcoming video. But until my next video, click on the playlist that is displayed at the end of this video for more informational and educational videos like this. Also, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep learning.